Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Tech Talk, Unlocking Efficiencies with techOMS. My name is Adam Lavergne, and today we're taking a closer look at the packaging module within techOMS. For operational leaders, packaging is a critical part of fulfillment. It's where accuracy, speed, shipping costs, and the customer experience all come together. In our last episode, we explored the virtual warehouse feature. Today, we're moving further into the fulfillment process and looking at how techOMS can help make order packing faster, more accurate, and easier for warehouse teams to manage. With just a few clicks of the mouse, techOMS can help make this happen. Imagine you have a smaller assortment of products to fulfill. Not enough volume or complexity to justify investing in a full warehouse management system, but you still need to connect your fulfillment operations to multiple sales channels. Pack orders accurately and take advantage of rate shopping to control shipping costs. That's the operational gap the techOMS packaging module is designed to help address. So within techOMS, you can see we have no warehouse selected. Let's open up the packaging and fulfillment module. So within this module, teams can create multiple packages for an order, move items between packages before finalizing the shipment, and automatically track fulfilled quantities. It means more flexibility on the packing floor and fewer mistakes or unnecessary reworks. The workflow also connects directly with techSHIP, bringing shipping activity into the same experience. Packers can retrieve shipping rates, generate shipping labels and packing slips, and automatically assign tracking numbers, helping reduce system switching and keeping orders moving through the warehouse. And for high volume operations, the packing module supports barcode-driven workflows. Operators can scan SKUs to quickly identify order lines, scan packages to assign products, and increase pack quantities as items are scanned. The interface is designed to provide immediate feedback and support mobile warehouse environments. The result is a faster, more consistent packaging process that can help improve accuracy, shorten training time, and give operations teams greater visibility into every shipment. Ultimately, this packing module is about creating a more efficient path from pick to order to ship to order, while giving warehouse teams the tools they need to operate at scale. That wraps up today's Tech Talk, Unlocking Efficiencies with techOMS. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time as we continue to explore ways techOMS helps retailers and brands streamline operations and unlock greater efficiencies across the supply chain.